Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. India reported 41,965 new coronavirus infection in the last 24 hours, taking its overall COVID-19 tally to 3,28,10,845, while active cases have increased 3,78,181. According to the data from the Union Health Ministry date on Wednesday, the death toll also climbed to 4,09,020 with 460 more fatalities in the last 24 hours. The number of active cases in the country has increased to 3,78,181 and now comprise 1.15% of India's total infection, and ministry said active cases have increased by 7,541 in the span of 24 hours. Some states are still witnessing an upward trend in number of coronavirus infection. Kerala has been the main concern. The southern state has been reporting more than half of India's COVID-19 cases of the past few weeks. Kerala has removed night curfew and lockdown on Sundays to limit the COVID spread. Also, the state government will screen visitor the nation with C1.2 COVID-19 veterancy. India took 85 days to administer 10 crore doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. It took 45 days to cross the 20 crore mark and 29 more days of touch 30 crore. The country took 24 days to reach 40 crore and then 20 more days to cross 50 crore vaccination on August 6. It took 19 more days to go past and 60 crore mark on August 25 according to the data from Union Health Ministry. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12th student. Get up to 50% scholarship for season 2021 to 22. Motion Durgapur Center. You can contact the number 943482278. Lays foundation stone of 40 crore factory, says the bank deadline extend rupees 1.50 crore of Andal airport. Don't make fun of police. State Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee laid the foundation stone of rupees 400 crore polyfilm factory in Panagarh industrial area on the occasion. Mamata Banerjee announced that 2 heritage would be set up in the state. He said that rupees 150 has been allotted for making Andal airport a greenfield airport. He encouraged small scale popular industry. The government will subsidize. The bank is giving loan the popularity industry, he said. Start this business. Why import eggs from abroad? Be self-reliant, she said. 4 crore vaccines have been given in the state. The state needs 14 crore vaccine. 4 crore vaccination have been completed. It goes without saying that the vaccine has been wasted in the state. Mamata said, everyone will get vaccinated, he said. Don't worry, try to live well, wear a mask. Poverty has also been reduced by 40% in the pandemic. Have reduced poverty by 40% even difficult circumstances. Mamata said that while employment is declining in the country, employment in the state has increased by 40%. The bank's deadline for Lakshmi Bhandar account is increasing. The bank's time limit for opening Lakshmi store account is being extended. The bank will be open till 5 p.m. Data center industry will be set up in the state. Data center industry will be created in the state. In the new data industry policy, the new goal of the state is to make Bengal a hub of information management and collection, so that Bengalis can meet the information needs of East India as well as Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. The state government will do everything impossible to help the data center. Assistance will also be provided in obtaining simple certificates starting from acceptance. We accept to build 400 MW data center in Bengal in the next 5 years. He said there will be 24,000 jobs in the field, the information technology. New target industry after social project. Biofuels like ethanol will be produced in Bengal. Fuel will be made from broken rice. More than 48,000 people will get job. 1,500 crore investment will come in the state. Police person should not be mocked. On Police Day, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said tributes to the policemen. They are making fun of police person who do not have a good sense of humor. She said it is wrong to do so. The entire police force should not be discredited. State Law Minister Malai Ghatak, District Governor S. Arun Prasad, Commissioner of Police N. Sudhir Kumar, Adda Chairman Tapas Banerjee, MLA Narendra Nath Chakravarti, Asansol Municipal Corporation Chairperson Amarnath Chatterjee, INTTUC District President Abhijit Ghatak and other MLAs and leader of the district were present on this occasion. Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Rupnarayanpur reporting Papun Paul. Rupnarayanpur broke the lock of the house on the occasion of the empty house and broke into the house. The incident took place at Rupnagar number 1 area of Rupnarayanpur under Salanpur police station on Wednesday. The merchant felt with 4,500 and a gold chain 4 lakh at Tilli and an estimated rupees 3 lakh worth of property in the Almari. They came to house at around 12 o'clock and opened the main door of the house. Their eye glassed over. Rupnarayanpur police came to the spot and checked all the aspects. Police have started investigation into the whole incident. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. After the reorganization of the Asansol Municipal Corporation Board, Gaurav has been divided. Gaurav has been given responsibility among various members. Dr. Amitabh Basu, Vice Chairman, Borough number 4. Sukanta Maidan, Manas Das, Vice Chairman, Borough number 6. Kali Pahadi, Chandrasekhar Kundu, Member, Borough number 10. Kulti, Divyendu Bhagat, Member, Borough number 1. Jamudia, Shyam Soren, Member, Borough number 5. BNR, Mir Hasim, Member, Borough number 8. Kulti. The remaining borough number 2, 3, 7 and 9 will be the chairperson Amarnath Chatterjee. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Naresh Agarwal and Secretary Sambhunath Jha represented Asansol Chamber of Commerce in Chief Minister's program at Panagarh Industrial Park today. Today's organizer were the Government of West Bengal and West Bengal Industrial Development Corporation, under them Secretary Sambhunath Jha on behalf of Asansol Chamber of Commerce submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister through officers in which he mentioned some special things. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Resident of Raniganj, Jemari Panchayat staged a protest on Wednesday blocking the bypass road in the Nimcha area over 20 days of water crisis. The resident of a local area claimed that the resident of area have been suffering from water problem from about 20 days. They have to rely on water to supply drinking water to the all pipelines. That water is wizard and widespread. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Barabani block, a 12-wheeler lorry lost control and fell under the bridge on the way to Damhani Bazaar Chhat Puja this morning. No casualties were reported in the incident. Manoj Sharma report of Barabani block. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Jammu Tawi Kolkata special will runs daily Asansol for the convention of passenger 03151 UP Kolkata. Jammu Tawi special now runs daily from 1 September 2021 and 03152 Jammu Tawi Kolkata special will run daily from 3 September 2021 instead of 4 days in the week with LHB records. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Crowd of people from 3 wards have started gathering for getting the corona vaccine at Bisargarh Health Center located at ward number 105 of Asansol Municipal Corporation. As a result, people are quizzing since 12 o'clock in the night despite the health center being adjacent to the Santodia Fandi number 1 from the administration was seen here for people standing in the queue since night. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Train for raising water level at bridge in ECR system Asansol due to raising water level at bridge number 16 between Talwara High Ghat station in Sastipur, Dargah Special of East Central Railway. The following arrangement in the train running have been made as under: short termination 03185 Sialda Jayanagar special journey commencing on 1 September 2021 will be short terminated at Baruni Junction instead of Jayanagar. Short organization 03186 Jayanagar Sialda special journey commencing 2nd September 2021 will be short oriented from Baruni Junction instead of Jayanagar. 07008 Darbhanga. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. National Trade and Industry Development Seminar to explore possibilities of expansion and growth of interstate trade and industry. Chief guest Sri Praveen Khandewal, Honorary National Secretary General CAIT. This program is supported by CAIT WB Chapter. Senior National Trade Leader of CAIT across India will also grace the occasion. 5th and 6th September 2021 Sport Assembly, Raniganj District, Paschim Bardhaman, 10 a.m. onward. Subhas Agarwal, Chairman FOSBECCI. R.P. Khaitan, President FOSBECCI. Sachindra Nath Roy, Secretary General FOSBECCI. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Dangal, Vicky Prasad, Alice Kallu murder case under North Police Station. The police arrested the girlfriend brother Suraj Burman after interrogating the suspect in custody. The police took him on remand for 12 days after presenting him in Asansol court on Wednesday. Significantly, in the murder case, the police had detained 4 suspects, including the girlfriend, interrogated them. Rest is after this break. News Movement present YouTube channel for news in Bangla, Urdu, English and Hindi. Direction of CBSE Board on the occasion of National Sport Day on Government of India, a program was organized on 29th August to mark the National Sport Day, and from that day till September 4, Fit India Day is being celebrated everywhere. With that in mind, health is an asset. A health awareness program on behalf of Raniganj DAV Public School on Wednesday with the aim of raising this issue among the teachers and making teachers health conscious. Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Movement. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Hurt someone with the truth but never make them happy with a lie. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.